Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of numbers with the Hand-to-Mind MathLink Cubes Numberblocks 21 to 30 activity set, an officially licensed educational toy inspired by the beloved BBC series, Numberblocks. This engaging set is perfect for children ages 3 to 5, offering a hands-on approach to learning essential math skills like counting, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. With 235 MathLink cubes, 20 dual-connector MathLink cubes, 33 faceplates, and more, kids can build their own number blocks from 21 to 30 while enhancing their math abilities through imaginative play. Each of the 20 included activities is linked to specific episodes of the show, allowing children to play along and deepen their understanding of numbers. The set also features 10 numberlings, 3 accessories, a sticker sheet, 10 double-sided activity cards, and 10 double-sided character cards with build guides, providing endless opportunities for number fun. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or caregiver, this activity set is a fantastic tool to make math learning exciting and interactive. So, grab your MathLink cubes and join us on a mathematical adventure with the Numberblocks crew. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.